It's phenomenal to have a different concept around such a traditional sport.
It's fun to watch. It's much quicker than a normal match, so it's good for the fans, and we get the opportunity to see some of the world-class players having fun, and so we have fun too.
Never been to Cascais. I think it's a great city. Being in Portugal is always nice. It's one of my favorite countries. Very happy and very glad that I'm here.
Fantastic area. It's really good. It has everything. It's so close to the big city, but it's a nice town, close to the beaches, great golf courses and hotels.
To see some of the city and the people, yeah, it was unbelievable. Yeah, lovely beach, lovely little city. Yeah, can't wait to get out on the water.
It's really fun to come here. The format is good fun. I think everybody just enjoys the week. It's not too much of hard work. It's just more enjoying Portugal and enjoying the golf course.
Oh, you kidding?
You have to see the talent that you guys have in this country. To see the youngsters that are coming through the ranks is fantastic, and I think you guys are going to have a lot more players on the tours all over the world very soon.
I think this tournament shows you can combine that a little bit, have a little party, play golf, get to know the country and the people, and just enjoy the combination of that.
Very innovative, and we get a really good vantage point from up here.
Oh, yeah! You're kidding! Unbelievable!
It's good to get up close to the players as well, which you can't do in a lot of other tournaments.
This is perfect. This is a very relaxing, good environment, good fun.
Our winners of GolfSixes Cascais, Team Thailand.